a great choice today with the 2020
Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control.
Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, navigation system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.